We are pleased to show you the 2020 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, rear wheel drive, convertible top, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find cruise control, cup holders, air conditioning, floor mats. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort,